Okay, GMAC here again. Just thought I'd take some time to show you how one way that I like to make coffee, and that's with an Aeropress. You can make coffee basically anywhere. I use it here at home. I still do use a traditional coffee pot, but this here works rather well for me. I figured while I'm waiting for my bread from the last video, we'll show you how I use an Aeropress. So we take, this comes with a bag, a whole kit. I only use a little bit of it, you know, when I go somewhere or whatever. I may take it with me, especially when I go camping. You have a paper filter, goes in the bottom. You clip that on the main body, set that on your cup, and you control the mix of how much coffee you want in it. I do about a half a scoop in there, and then I still use my traditional coffee pot to heat the water. And I'll bring this up here to, it has numbers on the side for measuring. Bring that to a number 3, and you can literally see, you want to let that sit there for a little bit. You can see the coffee. I do use I grind my own organic coffee, and just kind of want to stir that around a little bit. That's it. And we take, this is the part where we press it. Nice slow. And you can see and then what you would do is garbage can, you can put it in the compost pile, you can put it in the garden. It's good organic matter, and can be thrown in the garden. Maybe we'll show that video in the future. But it makes a really good cup of coffee. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll comment below. Any ideas here? I'll just keep doing some DIY videos, and we'll see you next time.